Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to make this Hamburger navigation menu inside Vue.js 3. So there is a package which allows you to make this navigation menu. So on desktop devices it will look something like this, but if you resize the window it will change to Hamburger icon. If you see on desktop devices, on mobile devices it will look something like this, on tablet as well. So once you click it, this menu will open. You will see. We also have this cross icon. If you want to close this, so this navigation menu will appear something like this. So if you want to design this menu, you can simply integrate this using this package. Let me show you the package name. So if you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, Vue Navigation Bar. Vue Navigation Bar. So this is actually the package. I've already installed it. So the command is very simple. This is the command, and it's almost got 470 weekly downloads. It's compatible with the latest version, which is Vue.js 3. And now to get started, first of all, you need to go to the main.ts file inside. We are developing it inside TypeScript. So here you just need to configure this module by importing this module. So I will show you step by step. So just wait. So here first of all you need to import the actual module and the CSS file. So we import the module using the import statement. So import Vue navigation bar, and it will be coming from this package, which is Vue navigation bar. So 56 kilobytes size package. So we import this package. Then we also need to import the CSS file as well. So Vue navigation bar, and it's located inside dist and Vue navigation bar CSS. This is your CSS file as well. So 10 kilobytes of CSS file. So we import the module and the CSS file. So then we need to create a simple component, app.component, and we pass this Vue navigation bar. We are registering this component inside Vue.js application and simply passing it. So that's all the configuration. We import this CSS and then we registered this component. Now you can close this file and just come to the app.vue comp. So right here we will, inside our template, we will have the div. I will just give it an ID here to this app, and then we'll be embedding this Vue navigation bar, and here we need to pass the options. So this options parameter, we will define it inside navigation bar options. So right here now we need to define this component. So write in the TypeScript code. So we pass a language here which will be TypeScript. So inside this we first of all import this module. So import, we just need to first of all define component view, and then export default. It will define this component and the name will be app. And secondly we need to pass the actual data. So data, this is the standard way in Vue.js how you pass some. So we are basically passing this options array, sorry, object nav bar options. So we are passing this object, if you see, to this component nav bar options. So it takes options which is element ID, so main nav bar. So this is, and then the second option is using view router. It also supports view router as well. So you can set this option to true. So view routing as well. And then you can provide your brand image path. So if you have a company logo, you can provide this image path directly. And then you can also provide company name, let's suppose I replace it freemediatools.com. Then you can set this mobile breakpoint. So it actually takes this integer value, so we'll say 992, and then main nav. So here you can give the navigation menu name here, which is main navigation. And then you can have a series of options in the menu. So you can define these options or menu items. So this will be a type of link, and then we can provide our text. So I will say home, then we provide the path. So name here will be home, the name of the component. So in this way you can define the options inside it. So in the similar way I will define two more options which will be for about and services. So these are all three hyperlinks. If you refresh your browser, just go to localhost. So it is saying that menu options left. I think I made a mistake right here. Menu options. Let me paste it. So now you can see we have three menu items: home, about, services. So in this way you can add more items to the menu. So now we also have the option to write menu items on the right hand position. So menu options right. It also takes an array, and then you can add either menu items or buttons. So in this case we will be having the buttons. So type buttons. We will have two buttons for sign up and login. So these two buttons will be appearing on the right hand side. By default the background color will be blue. You can even customize this as well. So now what happens when you resize the window, automatically this changes to hamburger icon, and now if you click on that hamburger icon the menu opens automatically. So so by default it comes with this default styling, and this module allows you to make this nice little hamburger navigation menu inside, which is completely responsive. You will see on mobile it will look something like this, and then on tablet or desktop. So you can use this package to build this awesome looking navigation hamburger menu. Then if you want to customize this, you can even write your own custom styles. So just put a style tag, and then right here you can I have given all the source code in the description, so you can change the font size, font family, all these things, but the functionality remains the same. You can see the hamburger icon will appear. So this is compatible with the latest version Vue.js 3, so you can use this module. So thank you very much for watching this video, and do check out my website as well, freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.